video recording. You see there's some rattling noise because the camera lens is probably broken. There is OIS which rattles the phone a bit, but this is a bit more louder. So let's see why it's happening. So I'm just going to make a small opening. Now I'm going to take off the camera assembly. So there's a screw which holds them here. Take this screw off. I'll try and shake this one. This is a lot of shake as well. I'll see if I have another camera. So friends, this is a newer camera I have. I'm just going to take off the protective covering and shake it. You see guys, this camera doesn't shake as much as this one. See this one? Very small shake. And now check this one out. See, I'll shake this one. Very small. And this one. See? Alright, so we need to replace these two cameras. This camera is faulty and this camera also is faulty. So let's get back to work.